Shashideen, the AI operations analyst here. In today's video, we're going to be going over this question from a community I got it from. The question is, should I use AI to completely automate my content creation process on social media? Let's go over this. So here's a breakdown on video-based social media algorithms today. YouTube, for example, has an option during the upload phase to select whether your content is AI or not, with voice and visuals. People who consume AI content get recommendations to more AI content on YouTube. People who don't consume AI content get recommendations to more human content. And this is for video-based social media platforms. So what does this mean? Algorithms are smart, and they're only getting smarter. What may work today to trick your audience will not continue working. And this doesn't apply for platforms like X and Threads that produce text-based content. This is for video-based social media platforms specifically. Will there be people who consume AI content? Yes, but it comes down to understanding who your audience is. Are they looking for stimulation, or are they looking to be educated? Which one? And here's a breakdown on the two. When you have stimulating content, it results in more ad revenue, more views, more watch time, more clicks on your content. Educational content, on the other hand, results in more sales, right? So are you going for entertainment or are you going for education? How can AI be used for educational content? It can assist with scripting, visuals, etc. But the voice and face should not be AI if you're focused on nurturing, aka building relationships. Okay? And the phenomenon with using AI to acquire attention is attention acquisition works well when using AI, but the next phase of nurturing must be humanized. And we're going to break this down in just a second here. This means building trust with an audience cannot come from AI. You might be confused. I was just saying that AI can't be used for content, so how can it be used for attention acquisition? So now your question is, where can AI be used? To build short-form distribution channels. It can be efficient to funnel attention you acquire from AI short forms into your long-form humanized content. This is because most people consuming short form are looking for quick stimulation. Okay? And so a lot of the biggest entrepreneurs, what they do nowadays is they take people out of the circus and into discomfort. Okay, Seth Godin goes over this, right? That's how you acquire more attention. Short form is like a billboard almost. They tell you that you exist, and then the long form informs the people, lets them know more about you. They learn from the long form. So here's a breakdown. Shiny object syndrome usually comes from discovery, right? Shiny object syndrome is like new opportunities, right? It's so shiny, you really want it. It builds desire. Solving existing problems usually comes from conducting research. When you have a problem, you search it up, right? It's more intentional. What does this mean for people finding success with 100% AI content? They will eventually go out of business as social media platforms become more sophisticated. It's all about playing the long game when attempting to build a brand. You can't outsmart machine learning social media algorithms. You just can't. They adapt. They get more sophisticated. It's the harsh truth. So the conclusion here is focus on using AI for internal systems, but not top of funnel systems. It can be used to build AI short form distribution channels, but it may serve as a distraction. There's no point of expanding your top of funnel when you don't really have a foundation built, right? So a lot of the time, it serves as a distraction. because you're trying to serve more of the market, trying to attract more of the market, sorry, when you haven't built anything yet. You haven't built a foundation yet. You're much better off acquiring AI short form distribution channels from a vendor solely focused on that department. So there are people who really just hyper focus on short form, right? And what you can do is acquire that attention to infinitely distribute content to your main long forms, right? The whole point for short form is to funnel that attention into your long form content, right? Now here's the process of a sale. You have acquiring the attention, then you have nurturing that attention, and then you have closing that attention, right? And the nurturing part of the sale cannot be AI, right? You can't have AI nurturing humans, right? Nurturing comes from human to human interaction, but it can be used for the attention part of things when it comes to short form distribution channels, right? And like I mentioned above, it's best to probably acquire them from a vendor. If you really, really are struggling to get attention on your long forms, but you're much better off building a foundation with your long forms before you start branching out with short forms. Anyway, that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. I know it was a lot. It was packed with a lot of information. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of me on your home feed. And if you have any concerns, any inquiries, you can DM me on Instagram. Take care.